Hello, happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there, every caretaker, every one of you who pours out so others could be filled. I celebrate you today because we all deserve to be celebrated. But I also want to hold a space because not every mama's going to feel happy today. And that's okay. You know, maybe today feels heavy. Maybe you feel overwhelmed. You're running on empty, holding everyone else together. Maybe nobody's checked up on you today. I see you. Maybe you're missing your own mother today. That grief doesn't just go away because it's a holiday. Sometimes this makes it louder. Maybe you wanted to be a mother yourself, or you lost a child. Whatever it is, you don't have to smile through it. Whatever you're carrying today, you brought yourself here, and that's what matters. This space is for you as well. So welcome to Share Anoints with Love. I'm Jessica, and today I want to share this unboxing with you. I'm opening it right now. We're doing this together. My son gave me this gift, but I'm not going to pretend that I just sat here and just press play like nothing's, just I press record and that's it. No, that's not my life. And I know that's not your life too. I'm a caregiver. There's always something, always somebody that needs something, always something to sort out, always peace to keep. That's normal. This is real life. But today I wanted to do this. So let's get it open. Oh, he knows me. The Labyrinth deck and guidebook. Cool. The Labyrinth movie. Oh my gosh. One of my favorite movies when I was a teen. So you could imagine. Oh my goodness, look how cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, the doors from the movie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. All right, let's go. Let's see the cards. The Fool is Sarah. Oh my gosh. Really nice and smooth too. Okay, so let's see Sarah. The Magician. That's right. What was his name? David. Starts with a J. Jarif, something like that. I think Jarif. Oh my gosh! Look at all of the trolls all around. I just wanted you to have a close up look at him. See, he has the crystal ball, and then he has all the goblins all around him. Pretty cool. And then the Hierophant. I think this is the one that had the the handbag full of all the the things inside, all the stuff. Or the bag, if I'm not mistaken. The Empress. I think this was the mom or the stepmom. I think she was Toby's mom and she was the stepmom to Sarah. I don't really remember. The dad, the emperor. He got the little Toby ball there with the bottle. The Hierophant, this guy, oh What's his name? If you remember his name, put it in the comments below. I forgot his name. The dancers at the ball. Oh, I love that dance. I used to make believe I was her, dancing by myself there, looking at myself in the mirror. The chariot. Strength. The hermit. I think the bird used to talk as well, if I'm not mistaken. The Wheel of Fortune. He used to constantly move around. The arrows. Justice. Remember this part? This was a cool part. That she fell in the hole. And all the hands started grabbing her. The Hangman. Oh, it's this dude. Oh, how cool. I forgot his name. Fate. Temperance. Remember the doorknobs that would talk? The demon, these creatures that was juggling their heads. The tower, the castle. Oh, the star. The moon. I think the old woman gave her this to eat. Or I don't remember. Toby the sun. Oh, that's cool. Judgment. Remember these two characters? The world. The maze. That's pretty cool. The King of Poles. So these are the Two of Wands all the way into the Ten of Wands. And then, I mean, it's called poles, but it's the wands, the wands. And then this is the King of Junk, which is the earth element, which is Pentacles. So King of Junk, Queen of Junk. Remember the junk lady? Knight of Junk, Page of Junk, Ace of Junk, and then it's the Two of Junk, 3, okay, all the way up to and then it's Queen of Feathers, the Owl, which is Air, Swords, which is Swords, King of Feathers, Queen. Remember the Fairy, the Knight of Feathers, the Page of Feathers, the Ace, the Two, and then they'll just do all the feathers. Right. Yeah, and then is the pots, which is the cups. So the King of Pots, Queen, Knight, Page, Ace, and then all of them. So it's a nice deck. I wish I've seen more of Laura and the Magician and David Bowie. I would have liked to seen them like carrying some of these stuff, you know. love it. I love it. So cool, right? Who else besides David Bowie to be the magician? That's right. Goblin King, wherever you may be, take this child of mine far away from me. I was bad. I used to say that to my little siblings when I was babysitting them. And they would start crying, oh, please, no. So this, I like this guidebook though. Let's see. Are you ready to enter the labyrinth? Let's go. Gives a little explanation about the Fool, the upright and the reverse. The texture is, I like this texture, it's nice. Nice and firm. Oh yes, it was Sarah's stepmother. Yes. Hoggle, that's his name. Values order and tradition. This is pretty cool. I like this. I also got this pretty candle. And later on, I'll open some of the other gifts. Let's wish all of you a happy Mother's Day. And remember, you are anointed with love. So if you're passing it today with your family, or if you're passing it today alone, or if you're longing for someone, remember their energy. And when you feel that you miss them, that's actually their energy, you know, tugging at you, reminding you, hey, I'm right here. My energy never dies. So I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful, loving day. Until next time, take care. Bye.